Well, Andy and Ballin and myself leave each other notes in the morning. We have a clipboard here. We put our forecast on it. We talk about what's going to happen during the day, kind of what we're seeing. And this was a topic of discussion this morning with Annie on, and myself on the blog last night and this morning. Can we get a storm to pop through this cap we've got in place, this lid along an outflow boundary or two? And we sure enough did today. We got a couple that popped through. I'm going to put this right over here. So boiling hot, it's like a pot on a stove, and that lid starts to kind of pop up and down. And when you've got two boundaries coming through, two wind shifts, that can be a trigger to pop through that lid. Again, a storm complex here fading, another one down here in Ohio, and the cool air rushes out from these. And we had two boundaries coming through right here and right along that outflow boundary, right there, boom, you get a storm to pop. We had a couple pop down here, and along that boundary, winds are northeast here, and they're south here. So you've got a little wind shift there, a little turning, and it's very moist, it's very tropical outside, and that's how you can get a land spout funnel to develop along one of those wind shift zones, and you can get a few storms to pop. But you can see what the cap is doing. They pop through, but now they're completely collapsing in the area. So as we get into the evening, again, we'll still watch this boundary. See this green line here, and we'll watch this one too. I kept 20% pops or potential of an isolated storm or two in our south through the evening. Otherwise, we're dry. And then this little lake breeze boundary has actually cooled it off a little bit in our north. Temperatures dropping into the upper 80s right now after being in the 90s. We dropped to 82 this evening in Greater Lafayette. Winds out of the southeast. Tomorrow, a few clouds in the morning, 72 and humid. But the pattern continues. Clusters of storms on the periphery of the big hot upper ridge, and this system here and the tropical impacts, what's left of Marco and Laura, combine to bring storms by the end of the week and into the weekend. Tomorrow's another hot one, 96 the high, mostly sunny. Heat index to 104, southwest breeze. There you see the highs once again at 93 to 98 viewing area wide. Heat index 97 to 108, very similar to today. And Thursday, partly cloudy, a few scattered storms developing. Can't rule out an isolated severe storm either, with a high of 94. Now, tomorrow, the outflow boundaries for storms to pop are going to be way northeast of us. There'll be one here up over Ohio and Michigan, so we're okay, but a few storms begin to come up from the south on Thursday, so a few storms possible, and then more showers and storms Friday and into Saturday. 7-day forecast, 83 is normal, 92 on Friday, and then we're in the 80s for the weekend.
All right, Chad, thanks so much.